Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I'll be sharing with you a new doll who is a first for me as well. I was watching and commenting to March Payne opening up his latest Sindy doll, and he replied that he'd love to see how I would style a Sindy of my own. Plus, they were on sale. I had been side-eyeing the new range of Sindy dolls for some time, so took this as a sign that it was time to go for it and buy one. I don't remember having a Sindy doll as a child, and I do still have all my childhood Barbies. I think of Sindy as the UK's version of Barbie. She's more homely looking and always has that side eye that I love on a doll. I did get her on sale from Argus, and she was delivered quickly. As you can see, I chose the Fashion Store playset Sindy. I thought she matched my favoured aesthetic and would look lovely wearing the kinds of doll clothes I make here. She comes nicely boxed and is just sealed in with some tape. I can see the box opens into a bit of a playset, so has a hinged opening. Unfortunately, my box is pretty scuffed up and looks like it was dragged across a grubby floor at some point. Fortunately, I'm not keeping her in the box, so it's not an issue for me. Her packaging reveals various crafty cutouts and backgrounds that kids can use to make a clothes shop style playset. I really like that, and I think it's such a good idea to add more playability for the kids to enjoy. Cool! She's not Kimball tagged in at all and simply lifts out of the box. So easy. I don't know why more dolls aren't as simple as this to remove. I set about wiggling all her joints at this point and didn't notice my overhead camera ran out of disk space. So here's some after the fact details of her to fill in the blanks. She has beautiful, thick and curly hair, the kind I'll never comb for fear of ruining it. She's got good articulation, rotation at the shoulder and elbows, though not double jointed like Made to Move Barbie. She bends at the wrists, twists her waist, and has good hip, knee and ankle articulation too. Her head has a little wobble to it, but it isn't really positionable beyond rotation at the neck. She comes with some lovely accessories, like this Sindy Fashion magazine. Again, I think this is such fun for a child to play with and read. It even has a quiz and lets you design your own outfit. Next is her laptop. It's silver plastic with moulded key details and a sticker screen. Definitely a must for finding new fashion trends. There's also a really cute black backpack. It's made from one piece of moulded plastic, but is flexible enough to open with lots of space inside. It has two straps which are removable at the bottom with adjustable length thanks to the press stud fastening. I'll give you a better look at the clothes she came with too, before I restyle her in my own handmade clothing. She has a shimmery jacket with purple trim and the cute heart-shaped tag. There are long black sparkly leggings, pretty tight at the ankles but very stretchy otherwise. A super cute lilac Sindy t-shirt, really like this. This tulle skirt has 4 layers in 2 tones of purple and an elastic waist. Her jacket fits nicely on top, and she's got a pair of purple flat-soled trainers with lots of moulded details. Finally, her lovely lilac hair tie, which is simply knotted at the top of her head. All really good quality pieces, which I'll definitely reuse with other dolls. I'm going to try these out on a Blythe and redress my Sindy too, but I want to welcome my newest patrons first. Nicole John Smart Doll Family and Cute and Cuddly Nursery by Tanya DeBrine. Thank you for joining us on Patreon, and thank you all for the extra support you've given to the channel there. I also want to say thank you to the supporters over on Ko-fi. In addition to their one-off donations, which help me fund the channel, website, and pay for materials, there are also monthly supporters too. So a special thank you to SRA 1978 and Victoria Charlotte. I really appreciate all your support. Okay, now I'll try all these Sindy clothes on my stock Blythe doll, Simply Delight. It's a great fit! I popped her hair tie in the back and found her shoes fit nicely. These were too tight to fit the A-zone body, though if you cut a slit in the back to get the heel in, I think they would fit. Everything else fits pretty perfectly. Sindy's body is only about 3 centimeters longer than Blythe, so not too much difference. Finally, I'm going to put Sindy in my favourite self-made outfit, my autumn print dress set. This outfit is made from fabrics I designed myself, with a matching apron tied at the waist. Mustard yellow stockings with recycled leather boots, a handbag made from real wool fabric, and a matching fabric hair clip with a little crown on top. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this, and I'd love to know what you think of my choice of Sindy and how I've dressed her up here. I look forward to chatting in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!